Yes, you do. Hey guys. Hey guys, guess what came in the mail? Here it is, the Autel Evo 2. So, if you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that now, because next week I'm going to post a video unboxing the Autel Evo 2. Let's get into the video. Okay, here's the deal. In order for you to fly a drone, you yourself must be registered, and your drone must also be registered, both with the FAA. And so here are some things that you need to know before you can fly a drone. So first, you must register your drone with the FAA before you fly. Basically, what that means is any drone that weighs between 0.55 and 55 pounds must be registered with the FAA. I believe it costs $5, and you basically have to get some paperwork, and you have to carry that around with you everywhere that you fly the drone. You must affix your drone registration number to your craft. The FAA requires you to pass a test before you fly your drone. So basically, Part 107 licensing is if you're going to be flying it non-hobby for commercial. So I looked this up, and basically, if you're going to be using a drone to film for your YouTube channel, then essentially you could end up making money on that video if you end up being able to have your videos monetized. So that is considered commercial. So if you're posting videos from your drone on YouTube, then you need Part 107 licensing. You also must follow all the FAA's airspace rules if you're flying outdoors. In the eyes of the FAA, drones are considered as aircraft, period. So basically that's all the basic information that you need to know. The cost for getting yourself registered to fly a drone varies, but it is quite expensive. It depends on the testing center that you go to, but the testing that I'm going to do next week, that costs $160, and more than that, if you don't pass the test, you need 70% or higher score to pass. If you don't pass, then you have to pay the fee again to retake the test. So definitely study a lot before you take this test, which is what I'm going to be doing all the way up to the point where I take this test next week. And to help you guys, if you are also going to get your test done, I'm going to put links to a ton of different resources down below in the description. Links to different resources that I've been using. There's a really helpful YouTube video I watched down there. And on that video, there's links to even more helpful documents. So all of that down in the description, check it out. That'll definitely help. And I hope this video is a help to you. So yeah, that's what I'm doing next week. And hopefully I'll pass. And I'll tell you guys about that next week in next week's video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and press that like button. We're really close to 100 subscribers, so press that subscribe button if you haven't already, because next week I'm going to post a video where I unbox the Autel Evo 2. It's going to be so cool, so you don't want to miss that. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.